Serious gamers know your rig is everything. In 2025, high-end gaming PCs are delivering desktop-shattering performance with insane specs, lightning-fast load times, and graphics so real they're basically cheating. So if you're wondering which gaming PC truly dominates the battlefield this year, here are the fastest, most powerful pre-built gaming PCs in 2025 that are absolutely worth your time. The Alienware Aurora R16 is all about smooth power and slick design. It features the Intel Core i9-1390F, 32GB DDR5 RAM, a fast 1TB SSD plus 1TB HDD combo, and the RTX 4070 GPU, ideal for 1440p and 4K gaming. You also get Alienware's thermal control system, a minimalist design with customizable RGB and 1-year premium support. It's plug-and-play ready for hardcore gaming, editing, and streaming. For those who want beauty and beast in one, the R16 is it. Grab the details from the description below. The Beast. The Corsair 1. i500 is engineered for elite performance, packed inside a sleek metal chassis. You're getting a liquid-cooled Intel Core i9-149K and a liquid-cooled NVIDIA RTX 4090, the absolute king of GPUs in 2025. Pair that with 64GB of DDR5 Vengeance RAM and a blazing fast 2TB M.2 SSD, and you've got a machine that can handle 4K ultra gaming, high-end creative workflows, and multitasking like a breeze. It's shockingly quiet for its power, and the vertical tower design keeps it compact without compromising cooling. This is built for gamers and creators who want zero compromises ever. Want the best of the best? Hit the description and check out the Corsair 1 i500. The Acer Predator. Orion 7000 brings serious firepower to the table. It runs an Intel Core i7-4700KF with 20 cores, backed by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, plus a 1TB HDD for extra storage with a bold RGB case, excellent airflow, and toolless upgrade options. This PC is made for gamers who want performance now and flexibility later. Whether you're into AAA games, 4K editing, or streaming, the Orion 7000 doesn't break a sweat. Want high-end gaming with future-proof upgrades? The Predator. Orion 7000 link is in the description. The Alienware Aurora R16 is all about smooth power and slick design. It features the Intel Core i9-1390F, 32GB DDR5 RAM, a fast 1TB SSD plus 1TB HDD combo, and the RTX 4070 GPU, ideal for 1440p and 4K gaming. You also get Alienware's thermal control system, a minimalist design with customizable RGB and 1-year premium support. It's plug-and-play ready for hardcore gaming, editing, and streaming. For those who want beauty and beast in one, the R16 is it. Grab the details from the description below. Looking for smooth performance without blowing your budget? The HP Victus 15L is your entry point into serious PC gaming. It packs a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12700F, a GTX 1660 Super GPU with 6GB, GDDR6, 16GB, DDR4 RAM, and a spacious 1TB SSD. While it's not built for 4K Ultra or VR-heavy games, it holds its own in 1080p and 1440p gaming, with solid frame rates across most modern titles. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity and Windows 10 out of the box with a free 32GB USB drive bundled in. If you're new to gaming or want a solid mid-tier setup, the Victus 15L is a smart buy. Check the link below. All the links are down in the description. Go check them out and find the perfect beast for your battle station. If you're ready to game harder and smarter in 2025, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one you'd pick in the comments.